Nath Kovind to bid farewell today, looking back on his tenure as the 14th President of India. In the audience during Kovind's farewell speech at the Central Hall of Parliament, were Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, as well as ministers and several other MPs. Leader of the Congress Party in Lok Sabha Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was also present. However, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kangre was absent and he had a pre-scheduled program and was not in Delhi. Neither Congress President Sonia Gandhi nor the party's Lok Sabha MP Rahul Gandhi were present at the event. Kovind congratulated his successor, President-elect Draupadi Murmu, and said the country would benefit from her guidance. Murmu will be sworn in as president on Monday. Kovind is expected to address the nation at 7 p.m. on Sunday. President Nath Kovind noted Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's word about his office in his farewell note. Ambedkar had said, "President is the symbol of the nation." Kovind wrote, "Since the last day of July 2017, I have often meditated on those words of Baba Saheb. Whenever I have found myself confused, I have noticed his words about my role that the President represents the nation.